I guess Hamilton's going to have to stay on, and Halpin's going to drop out for Baby Bird. And I think we're going to stick Wood in goal for 𝗬𝗂𝗯𝗲. Let's go to match day. Right, go out there and impress me. Nobody gives a toss. Brilliant. Individuals. Jacob Barrett and Oliver Lansley. I'm expecting to show up and perform today. We're a bit inspired. Ben Wood. I want to see a good performance from you today. Defenders. I'm expecting solid work out there. Midfielders, I expect you to make the difference, make me proud. Let's go. So Ruthin have lost their last two and drawn the one before that. But they have got a win on the boards. We haven't won a game for 7-8 straight games. We are scoring goals. There are goals in us, but we are conceding goals at a ridiculous rate. And we are quite rightly bottom of the table. What a contrast this is from last season. I am fighting for my job now. I'm fighting to keep this team in this division. Let's hope Wood is finally ready to step up and be the man I hoped he would be last season. Miserable weather, look at this. Foggy, overcast, cold. A bit like the real weather. Oh, that was nearly a good ball. We seem to be controlling things at the moment, but our pass completion is pretty appalling. Maybe I need to just bring that tempo down a little bit. Great save from the keeps. Just cannot get a tackle in, can we? Bradford totally wasting the ball. I don't know why they do that. They're not even supposed to be taking the free kicks. Free kick in an interesting area. Could be Lansley, I guess. He gets a corner every time. I'd rather he hit the target. Oh dear. I suppose if we can get away without conceding a goal, that will be considered a step in the right direction. But if we're also not scoring any goals, that's another problem. That tempo down a bit more. At the moment we can't seem to hold on to the ball. Oh. 𝐾𝐨𝐳 needs to move up into a central midfield position. A decent effort from 𝐾𝐨𝐳. I'll take that. So we've got the possession, we've got the passing percentage up nice and high. Shots on target seem to be our problem. Oh, good save from the keeper. I've got to say, Wood appears to be playing a lot better. Look at his rating, 7.3, a lot better than our other goalkeeper. So that's, I think that's a positive change. Try and encourage the team a little bit here. Quite happy as they are, but let's push it up a bit. Let's be a bit more positive. We've had 6 shots on target to our 0. Start shooting on sight, I think. Who the hell's offside there? Nobody. What a load of rubbish. Come on, team. Crumbs. Dominating the ball, but not creating any chances. Wow. Wow! Oh, we're so getting annihilated this year. I do not understand what I need to do now. Nothing seems to be working. Defenders. Oh, God, I don't know what to say. For the first time in a long time, I am just completely... I'm just completely lost. I don't know what to think or what to do. I just think the high press makes more sense. I'm actually going to say Ben Wood. They're playing well to keep it up. Seems very motivated. Somehow we need to get goals. Come on. Just can't play football. I think I've discovered it. We actually cannot play football. Does that count as a shot? What the hell was that rubbish? Right, let's bring on some subs. Let's bring on Pat Healy. Jamie Bird can have a run out. Clements can come on. These are all players who can score or create chances. Excuse me. Ah. Oh, right across the face of the goal. So I'm guessing pass into space is not something we can do. We're not that kind of team. That's going to have to be turned off. Can we at least get a draw out of this? I think we can, you know. There's a goal. Jamie Bird. I think passing into space may have been wasting a lot of opportunities. It's not past the space, it's past to people's feet. Now we need to be attacking minded. Would it be nice to win this game after an absolutely awful match? I have been... Oh, let's not get ahead of myself. Oh, somebody should have got onto that. Good effort from Clements. Be positive. Let's start running at the defence, see what happens. We might get some more free kicks if nothing else. Shoot! Oh, he did as well. Deflection off the defender. Ah, I knew that was going to happen. Ah. Oh, Clements. I'm loving the fact that he's shooting as often as he is. That's really inspiring. Oh. Oh my word, look at this. Lansley's starting to find some goals, that's nice. The rot continues. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. We are having a terrible, terrible, terrible time. Tactics. Do not pass into space. I like this. Work the ball into the box. I think that's okay. We definitely want to counter and counter. Out of possession. Let's go higher and mid. Let's just off it ever so slightly. And I do think we're better with, oh, I don't know, are we better with attacking or? I don't know what to do. We're going to play Denby next. They're second in the division. They're going to totally destroy us. Kenny Mills. Oh my God. I remember Kenny Mills. But he's sat there laughing his head off at us right now. Right, so I think Bird did impress, I've got to say. Praise player this last game. Excellent. Superb, lad. Well done. Dynamics. Everything is just shocking. Maybe Morgan isn't the right man for the job. Dressing room atmosphere. Pessimistic. Morale isn't great amongst the squad right now, and that could eventually become a problem. Thanks. Glad to have been of help. Okay, so I've told him off for his conduct. He actually seems inspired. Maybe that can help the team move forward. Okay. Any potential loan targets will be shown in the scouting centre. Cool. That's good. Right, training. I'm going to create a new schedule. Actually, that trigger and press actually looks kind of good. Let's go to schedule. So yeah, we need some recovery. 2 matches in a row that week. Things need to improve. We need to get a win.
Birthday.
Thanks, love. See you later. Cold as well. Who's this lad? Travis James. Got the pace, but does he have the technique? This is the guy I asked to do thingy on, didn't I? Let's approach the sign. Fringe player. Negotiate contract, non-contract, £5, yeah, okay. For that sort of money, he's worth having in the team on the bench or whatever, an option. Look at this, they're actually getting better. Kelly has improved all over the place. Jamie Bird.